So in this video, you can do the L cut and the J cut. Okay, I'm sorry, the J cut and the L cut. Um, I already created one here because if I show you how I did this, you're just gonna do it with the same videos. It's what I seem to get when I show you guys some tutorials. So I'm gonna show you how this was done just here, and then in the actual folder, you have two to choose from. Okay, you can pick one as your theme. So here in this folder, there's the birthday. Okay, you can download the birthday girl and then the party, so you can see here that she's sad. Right, there's no audio. You don't have to use the whole thing. You could just cut a piece of this video. Okay, this is where your editing is going to come in, because it's 29 seconds just of her looking out the window, kind of sad, right, with her little birthday donut there, nobody celebrating. And then you can actually contrast it with this one, which is a birthday party celebration, right? Okay, you can show the audience that's what she's thinking, right, using this music here. Okay, um, this is Cooling Gang. I don't think you can't hear it because my recording software does not allow music to be recorded, but it's Cool in the Gang celebration. I'm sure you heard it. So see how you can piece those together in this format. Now look at the way I did it. I titled it. You can use this background too. In the previous video, I said just use black, but you can use a designer background if you like. This was called a J cut. So she's thinking, right? So I got this video off of Pexels. So she's thinking, and then she's thinking, oh, I'm stuck here at work or here doing remote learning or whatever. She wishes she can be out dancing, right? She's out dancing. It's not the same girl, but I figured, it was hard to get another girl that looked like her. And then you just add your music, fade it in to give it that dramatic effect. Okay. Now you can't hear it, and I can't play it loud because, like I told you guys before, I make these tutorials at night, and my grandkids are asleep. So this song here is Blinding Lights. So I have it fading in. Okay, this is the J cut. See, it has like this J right here. That's why it's called a J cut. But you see how this audio from this, her dance, starts ahead. Okay, even though these are three different files, three completely different files. Okay, and so here she's thinking of dancing. She wishes she was out dancing, and then the song comes in, it fades in. Okay, it fades in even during here, this video. Again, you guys can't hear it, but I'm going to put a sample of it in your folder here. I'm going to put it, it's not in there now because I don't have it yet, but I'm going to put it in there. When you guys see this, you'll see the sample in there. And then now, she's dancing to the music. Okay, see, she's going, and then now look at here. This is the L. So you can do it in the same file. You can do the J cut and the L cut. So the L, now if the music fades out to her thinking back to reality. See, that's why they call it the J and the L cut. So the audio goes into the second scene, the third scene, right? First, second, third. Technically, it's back to the first scene. And then this should be renamed. It should be the J cut and L cut. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and process this. I'm going to call it J cut, L cut. And this will be in the folder when you guys look it up. It'll be in here as a sample. And then you guys have to do it. Choose one. You can do it with the birthday, or you can do it with this girl on vacation here. So you can see her here. She's thinking of being on vacation. But again, it's 36 seconds. You don't have to use the whole thing. So use the part where you can tell the audience Oh, what she's reading? She wishes she was on vacation because she has to read this book for work or something. Now she's thinking you can out cut it to her on vacation here, right? She's on the beach, enjoying her tea. Or I know it's wine, but tea. We drink tea, right? She's enjoying it, right? And then add the music. Not the music. I'm sorry. This is beach and beach waves. This audio here has beach sounds and seagulls and stuff. It doesn't have music. You can add music to it later if you want as another track. Go for it if you like. But so then your L cut can be her back at work. Maybe another part of the video where she's back. She's like, oh, I'm back here at work. I have to keep reading this book. I'll be on vacation next week or something. So show a contrast between the J cut and the L cut using these two, and then the sample I'll have it in there when you guys check it out. Okay. If you have any questions, just email me or rewind this video to watch it again. Thank you, Mustangs.